Hey guys, hopefully you've had a good week so far. Mrs. Inch here. I'm just going to go over a little bit of the math just in case any of you had any questions or just for clarity. So the first lesson you should have done was lesson 7, the perimeter of polygons. Okay, so just under quick review here, we can find the perimeter of any polygon by simply adding the side lengths. Okay, so for the example that was given, it was a pentagon. Just make sure you keep track to make sure that you do include all of your sides. So I know that there is 5 sides attached to this. So we got 4 plus 1.5 plus 2 plus 2.5 plus 2, and I know the perimeter is 12. Okay, please make sure that when you do report your perimeter, please make sure to include your units. Okay, and sometimes we'll often see it as P equals 12 centimeters. Okay. Here was another example. So you've got a square. So one unique thing about the square is that we do know that it has 4 equal sides. So you will notice that your formula kind of looked a little bit different here, but essentially it was taking your side and then multiplying it by 4 because we know that the side lengths are totally the same. Okay. If you do want to, though, you can always do the side plus side plus side plus side. So then you could do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and you would get the same answer of 8 as your perimeter. Okay. Make sure you include your units. Okay. Here was another example of a parallelogram. Okay. So I know a parallelogram has 2 pairs of equal sides. Okay, so these side lengths are not given, but because of what this shape is, I know that this side has to be 3 centimeters, okay, because these two are the same, and then the one across has to be 3 centimeters and then 2 centimeters, okay. So what they've done here for this one is perimeter equals length plus side, which is your 3 plus 2, and then simply because I know that it is exact same, I can multiply it by 2. Okay, however, if you're more comfortable with the side plus side plus side plus side, you can always do it 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, and you will get your same perimeter of 10 centimeters. Okay, we'll go through a couple of these questions at the bottom. These ones do require a ruler. However, if you didn't have a ruler, I will give you the side lengths here, and then you can just make sure that you check your work. Okay, so if I did measure the top, I would have found that the top of this one is 3 centimeters. I would have also found out that this one is 3, 6, and then 2.5. Okay, and the question asked to find the perimeter of each polygon. So I know I have 4 sides, and I will simply just add up the side length to see the distance all the way around. So perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side. And I will add them all up. And therefore my perimeter equals 14.5 centimeters. Okay. Next one, B. I do notice that I have some hatch marks here. Hatch marks are really important because they tell me that there are equivalent sides. So they're giving me 1, and I can simply fill in the other 2 based on knowing that this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so perimeter equals side plus side plus side. Okay, 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. I will find a perimeter of 7.5 centimeters, and don't forget your units.